And so I like how these are connecting here. And now I've actually run into a problem that I don't think we've seen in class before. And that is sort of the way I'm starting to arrange these. I need my canvas, I need this background to be wider. And so that's fine. We can definitely make our background bigger. We just don't want to make it any smaller than 8 by 10, which is what we started with. So in order to make this a little bit wider, so I can kind of keep following this like sort of rotated, sort of tilted, flow and combination that I've started with, I'm going to go up here to Image, Canvas Size, and I want to add, or excuse me, let me click here because I want to make it longer on the left-hand side. And let me make it 14 inches and we'll see what that looks like. Nice, so now I've made it a little bit wider. And let me zoom out a little bit and just recenter this. Yeah, that's going to be some good space. And you know what? I think I need extra space here on the right-hand side too. So I'm going to go right back to Image, Canvas Size. I'm going to anchor the left-hand side. So now the width that I add will just be applied to the right-hand side. And let's make the overall width, let's give it 4 more inches on the right-hand side too. So let's take that up to 18 and we'll see what that looks like. All right, nice. Then I'll fit on screen. And that looks pretty good. So let's see, I think maybe I could stack the milk photo on top of the finished product, and maybe the finished product should actually be bigger. So if I go here to yellow mug, edit, free transform, lock, let me make that nice and big. Connect it here, press enter, and then I want to pull the little photo here on top. So that photo here that's hidden right now, that's the picture where I'm pouring the milk. So let me look for my milk layer. Here it is, and then I'm going to click and drag so it's on top of my yellow mug layer. Very good. Then I'm going to go over here to the Move tool, and I kind of like that connection. Let me rotate this. I'm kind of into that because now, and this is why we spent some time second quarter practicing composition, working through our sketchbook pages, right? We've discussed the concept of line, right? And making sure things are balanced. And look, sort of the way that I've arranged these, having this pour and then the handle almost kind of connecting with this, I've created this V shape, sort of this V line in this composition. So I'm trying to kind of think and consider like how is the viewer going to sort of look at and understand the flow and the method of my collage here. So I noticed that sort of this spoon, this curved spoon handle is sort of repeated in the photos. So I'm trying to kind of highlight that and use that to create a little bit of a visual flow in the image. But I think that's a good stopping point for today. So once again, because I've done a lot of work, a lot of rearranging and resizing, let me go to File, Save, to make sure my progress is saved. And now I will go ahead and exit out and we can pick this up next time and we'll take it from